Hi friends, it's Shahzeb Mafredi from Game Logics, and this is the 14th part of our tutorial series how to make color switch game in Unity. So in the previous tutorial, we have successfully created our menu canvas, and in this tutorial, what I am going to do, I am going to create a simple script which is going to play a very vital role in our game, and that script will be used a lot. And that script is that doesn't we doesn't need to write a lot of code, okay, in that script. It's a simple one. So let's create that, and that is going to be very useful for our game, and that will be called rotate object. So this is our script. So let's write the code for this. Okay, so for this we don't need these two namespaces, and we don't need this start method as well. Okay, so public, and the one is going to be our vector3 rotation, and the other one is going to be space space. Okay, and we need just one simple line of code, which is zero transform dot rotate. It's a method which takes two arguments. One is vector3. Evilers means vector3 rotate vector3 like vector3 rotation. Okay, applies a rotation of Euler angles degrees around z, x, and y axis. Okay, so it's for rotation, and the other one is the second argument is space relative to. We have basically two kind of spaces in Unity. Just to give you a simple idea, and I have also kept open the original project for a reason. I will tell you in a while why. And to give you the idea of space, we have two kinds of space. One is the world coordinate, or we can call it the Unity space. Unity scene space. Okay, this is the Unity scene space. This one, it's the world coordinate. Okay, this is called the world coordinate or Unity scene space. Okay, and the one is a local space that belongs to object's own coordinate system. Okay, so this is this Unity scene space. Okay, here you can see it's local now, so it's object own coordinate system, and when we make it global, then it becomes world space, which is basically the Unity uh, own coordinate system or the scene system. Okay, which is not linked with the object own coordinate system. So that is not too much important for the time being. Okay, so don't think too much about that. Okay, so let's get back to our work. Let's make it 2D. Okay, so here let's pause the rotation and then space. Okay, so it's done. uh, I have left a minor tuning here, which I will do in a while, okay, but I have left that deliberately, okay, so I wanna show you something first. Okay, so let's attach the rotate object script with our stars, or not this way. It come through it component. What the hell did I do? Yeah, and let's make the space self. So let's save the project and let's run it and see what happens. As you can see, nothing is happening. So let's apply rotation of 90 degree along z-axis, then let's see what happens. So as you can see, they are spinning very fast, the stars. Okay, so this was the main thing that I wanted to show you. So let's make it, let's deal with that, how to make it slow. Okay, so here is the trick that we have used the time class in few tutorials back for the purpose of playing and pausing the game. It has another property that can be used, that can be very handy for creating the slow motion effects. Okay, and this is the one, time dot delta. Okay, so let's save the script and let's see what happens now. Okay, let's run it. So as you can see, they are they are circulating. Okay, they are rotating, they are rotating properly. Okay, and it's, I think it's clockwise or anti-clockwise, and you can simply, let me show you another simple trick. Like if I make it 90 minus 90, so it will the stars will move this way, like this way. Let's see how. So now they are turning this way. So that's how you can do these little tricks and see what happens. Okay, so let's make them again. 90 is good. Okay, clockwise, it basically uh, it's like if you want them to uh, rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise, so you can do that by simply uh, assigning them a minus. Okay, so now, okay, so now we need circles around this button, circles like these, round circles. Okay, these like the one we have in our clone. Okay, so that one is not necessary. Like if you don't want to create those circles, it's okay, but I do want to create them. Okay, and you will learn some things, okay, in that process. So let's do that. I have left this original project open. I was talking about these circles, okay, and they are present here. So let's export them. Let's export them. Okay, you can select any one of them. So let's select this one. Export package, export India. It's my original project UI elements, and they will be. What should be the name? Yeah, materials. So they are exported. Let's close this one. Don't need whites. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, import them. Here they are. We've got them successfully, and it has also imported the materials for us and everything that we need. Okay. Yeah. So let's do one thing. Uh, let's create our. I don't need this. And let's create a folder. Which will be materials. No, yeah, it can be done in other way. Let's delete this. Okay, so yeah, so we already have it, and this should be like, yeah, they can be dragged into textures. Yeah, they are not our textures. They are our. They are basically our materials. So why not drag them into materials folder? Okay, let's get rid of this. So now I need to create another game object which will be empty game object, and let's reset its position, and let's call it spinning rings. Spinning rings, and let's create another game object that will be ring 1, and let's create another game object. I'm just checking something. Okay, let's create an empty one that will be. Let's duplicate them. Cylinder 2, and Let's attach to them mesh filter and let's see what happens. Yeah, we got it. So it's here. This should be uh, let's make them 0. I think let's drag that pause button. Where is that? Get down. Let's drag this ring. Okay. Let's copy the component and paste component values. This is another trick that you can use, like it will make them 0.75. Yeah, but it also changes their position, so I don't want that. What the hell did I do? Oh yeah, I haven't attached. Okay, so let's make them complete. And let's attach the mesh renderer to them as well. Okay. And let's attach them. Slider 158, 150. Attach them 157. Yeah, they should be exactly the same. And to this one as well. Okay. Let's I think it's not that bad. Let's try another one. I think yeah, we can make them by this way. It will be very difficult, like to rotate them and adjust them. So let's attach another one here. Let's see. This one is not okay. It's 157. It's okay. So let's make it 159. I think I should start from 156, then 157, then 158, 59. Mm, no, 155 should be then. 56. This one should be 157. This one should be 150. So now you can see our circle is completed. So the way that these rings or these circles work, like you will use them order wise. Like here, the cylinder 1 is 155, and then the cylinder 2 is 156, and then cylinder 3 is 157, and then cylinder 4 is 158. So they are designed that way. Okay, we can do the adjustments, but it will take a long time, and and it might create a few problems for us. Okay, like by rotating them if we arrange them through rotation. Okay, so this way they are better. Okay, so now let's drag it. Let's drag the ring a bit down. No, no, let's drag this button a bit. This should be in middle. Yeah, and let's give them colors. Like yeah, let's change their colors. Mm, so ring one is pink. This should be purple, teal, and this should be yellow. Purple, this should be pink. So as you can see, the colors are not right, and why it's that? It's because of this thing. Oh, because of this thing. This should be what? This should be legacy. Let texture. It's not working. What the hell is making them? No, 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 no. I think we'll have to change them here. Is it changing or not? It's not. Yeah. Okay, so it's like it's the pink. Lit color and it's unlit. It's also unlit color and let's make this unlit color. Let's make this also unlit color and let's change them. Purple. Purple is I think this one. There is not much difference. Okay, this is our like so for the time it's our purple color. Okay, teal. Teal is this one. No, this one is our teal color. Let's do this same for yellow. Okay. Yeah, I think so. It looks better now. Okay, so one ring has been created. Let's make it a duplicate and let's call it. Okay, so let's rename this to ring 2 and cylinders should be like should be like 150. Oh no, it's not the one. 150. So it's up to 158. Let's see 159. This one is not good. 160. One. Which one? This should be. No. Oh, I'm checking. Oh, what the hell? I was assigning them cubes. Which I should have assigned them the cylinders. Let's see 151. It's big. 139. 40. So we have come up to 158. So let's try 159. Yeah, it's good. 159 and then 160 and then 161 and then 162. Let's create another rank that will be called our rank 3, and we have come up to 162. Let's try 164. What the hell? Let's undo this. Here we should try 160. So it's not working. 160. No, I have come up to 162, so this should be 168. This should be. No, this should be which one? 165 is not working. 166. 167. 8. Oh yeah. So Let's try. Okay, so the next should be like 170. No, 171. 172. Let's see. Yeah, 72. And then 173. And then 174. And then 175. I think it looks much better. Okay, so let's collapse them and let's attach our rotate object. Should be self, and let's attach the rotate object. Should be self and 90 and 90 and 90. And let's save the project and see what happens. So you can see the effect, okay, clearly. So this is it for this tutorial. If you haven't understood anything, and then feel free to comment. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then do a subscription and press the bell icon for notifications. So see you in the next tutorial.